बीएससी पार्ट थर्ड के इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में ये एक्सपेरिमेंट इंग्लिश का भेजा मैंने। इस एक्सपेरिमेंट का नाम है स्टडी रेजोनेंस इन सीरीज LCR सर्किट एंड डिटरमाइन Q फैक्टर ऑफ सर्किट। Apparatus required, you can write C theory. Q factor is defined as FR upon F2 minus F1 या omega R upon omega 2 minus omega 1. FR is resonance frequency, F2 F1 half power frequencies where current I is equal to I maximum upon root 2. Q theoretical formula given as omega L upon R is equal to 2 pi F FRL upon R, or we can obtain omega R is equal to 1 upon root LC. So FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi LC. These are formulas. This is diagram circuit, inductance L, condenser C, resistance R, or AC source. This circuit contains AC source. So voltmeter used at the point of R is AC voltmeter. Okay, there is no current direction. Observation table is here. When we use L is equal to 100 millihenry and C is equal to 0.003 microfarad, we change frequency from AC source 2 kilohertz to 16 kilohertz. We changed here. For resistance R1 is equal to 1500 ohm and R2 is equal to 510 ohm. Two set are here. In first set we measure voltage. Here voltage is 2.55, 2.88 for different frequencies. 4000 hertz frequency gives voltage of 3.35 volt. We obtain maximum voltage, you can see, is at 7000 hertz, which is 6.85 volt. Similarly, for another resistance R2, we also repeat full experiment. We obtain output voltage as 1.232 last 0.12 up to 16,000 hertz. Okay, here also maxima is obtained at 6000 hertz, or in R1 is equal to 15 ohms, we obtain maxima at 6.85 at 7000 hertz. There is difference shown by the student. For R1 is equal to 510 ohm, Q theoretical will be given as 11.6, Q experimental we obtain 2.3. For R2 is equal to 1500 ohm, Q theoretical is 3.8, Q experimental is equal to 2. This calculation is given ahead. This is calculation. R1 is equal to 510 ohms. So we have FR experimental is equal to 7000 hertz, F2 is equal to 5000 hertz, F1 is equal to 8000 hertz. So Q experimental will be 7000 upon 8000 minus 5000 is equal to 2.3. Q theoretical is equal to omega R L upon R, or root L upon C 1 upon R. So value substitution give 11.6. Okay. For R2 is equal to 5000, sorry, R2 is equal to 1500 ohm, we obtain FR is equal to, student shown at 7000 hertz, Fn is equal to 5000 hertz, F2 is equal to 8500 hertz, Q experimental is equal to 2, Q theoretical is equal to omega RL upon R, we obtain 3.8. Okay. So these are two calculation we obtain here. This is graph. On the x-axis we have taken current. On the y-axis we have taken, on the x-axis we have taken frequency, y-axis we have taken current. Okay, these two graphs are obtained here. Now this is result. You can write result. You can write the questions. Okay, thank you. Bye.